Do you want to make a statement? Are you ready to make a statement? I'm calling this house the Statement House. 702 Goldenspur Loop, San Jose, California. Let's take a look. So this home here has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, sitting on 2,141 square feet. I actually went to the open house on this house. As a matter of fact, when I was driving into the street, trying to look for the home, it kind of popped out to me like a slippery nipple. Oopsie! Now the first thing that immediately jumped out to me is this home has a very long driveway. Long driveways are one of the things I really love about homes. It really does make a statement when you have a long driveway. Overcompensating much? I gotta admit, this home is beautiful. Look, the reason why I call it a statement home. If you're gonna upgrade from a condominium or a townhouse, this is the home you wanna upgrade to. This is making a statement. Or, if you're a first-time home buyer, this home is immaculate. This home is perfect for a first-time home buyer. It does have a living room and a family room. The new builds nowadays, a lot of homes don't have a living room and a family room. The one thing I actually covet about homes, I love kitchens. Kitchens make a statement. And boom, look at that kitchen. The one thing I noticed when I walked into this kitchen was I saw it has a wine refrigerator. Now, I don't really do wine. What better statement is there to say, I'm an adult. This is my home. Who drank my yoo-hoo? You look at this beautiful kitchen, the first thing I noticed was the time on the clock, and it says 4:09. How fitting, because this kitchen is clean. Look at that beautiful backsplash. That backsplash is so shiny. I imagine that's how a room looks like after a Diddy party. But the one thing I didn't mention right now, and if you went to the open house or you're going to the open house, it has a loft. This loft is very spacious. I walked it. Here's a video of it, of me walking through it. And here's the master bedroom. Kind of has like a Moana vibe going on. Oh, and the one thing I really adored was the bathrooms in the master. Here it is, beautifully laid out. This is actually one of the other full baths right here. Overall, my impressions was, I want this home. Yo, I gotta give a big ups to the listing agent on this, Doni Turnian. I love the way she works. She did this house so well. It was busy, a lot of foot traffic, because she knows what she's doing. She has it all together. She knows how to market the property to make sure she can move it. And that's what you want in a listing agent. Like I said before, this home is a statement home. And if you're ready to make that statement, give me a call or shoot me a DM.